love and tell me who. Say my name, say my name. Say my name is around you. Baby, I love you. Say my name, say my name. Kinda shady, ain't calling me baby.
Alright, hey you guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today I've got a new unit for you guys. This unit is from Rosabeauty off of Aliexpress. This is my first time working with them and I absolutely love this unit, you guys. Everything will be listed down below. But I am loving the brown, I'm loving the highlights, and I'm loving the shorter length. This unit was very easy to install, you guys. I feel like I say that a lot, but I promise you a beginner can do it. Anyone can do this. The lace on here is really good. The hair is good. I did go ahead and bleach the knots on this unit and wash her as well. That is optional, but I really wanted to kind of customize this unit because I had a feeling I would be rocking it. I think I may wear this to the Beyonce concert. I'm not really sure. Anyways, it's definitely a contender. Yeah, you guys, make sure you check out this unit from Rosabeauty. Let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. If you guys have not already, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you give me a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, comments, all that great stuff, put it down below. And yeah, let's get to it. All right, you guys, so here's everything that I received in my package. They gave you some wig caps, comb, a few clips, and of course, let's get into this unit, you guys, right here. I mainly love the way they did the highlights on this. I love the kind of chunkiness of it, but also it's highlighted throughout, just in case you want to do different styles. You're able to do that and still see the highlights like the blonde throughout. The wig did come pre-plucked, you guys. The knots are not super prominent, so you don't have to bleach them. I went on ahead and bleached the knots and plucked a tiny bit off camera. So this is what we are working with once I kind of customized it a bit. And I'm just gonna cut off maybe 2 inches. I believe this is 22 inches, you guys. I can't remember, but make sure you check the description box. But I'm just cutting off a little bit of the ends, because once I saw this unit in person, I knew it would look better on me if it was slightly shorter, but I didn't want to go too crazy. Y'all, 2 things. I really like the lace on this unit. I was a bit concerned because, I mean, I just never worked with the company before and I didn't really know what to expect, but the lace ended up melting so easily, so seamlessly. You guys know if you have bad lace, no matter how beautiful the hair is, your wig is just not gonna come out how you expect it to be. You know, it's gonna just be really hard to melt down. Y'all, I'm grabbing my Eben Wonder Lace Spray. This stuff is absolute magic. Anybody can use it. It's the fastest drying spray. It's better than hairspray, better than Got To Be, all that kind of stuff. It leaves no residue. I use this for every single install and it's amazing and literally stays all day and all night if I wanted to. But I'm just doing this in thirds, you guys. This lace melted very easily. It didn't take much effort. It ended up being a very seamless and very quick install. This is why I say anybody can do this, you guys. Just work in thirds. Take your time and make sure there's no extra hair all crazy. That's why I keep brushing the hair back. And then to really make sure this is nice and melted in your skin, make sure you take that elastic strap and put it right over the lace to melt it and get a seamless install. Quick tip, you know your hairline is plucked, it's ready to go, like it's gonna be really good when it's very easy to lay your edges. If it's difficult to lay your edges, to do your swoops and curls and whatever you like to do, you may need to pluck a little bit more. It shouldn't like take you forever, in my opinion, to do these. They don't have to be perfect. They don't have to be, you know, everything. You just want them laying in the right direction because you can always fix them later on if you choose to. So I'm just cutting with my little razor, you guys, just doing 4 sections, 2 on the sides and then my sideburns, and then just using my Design Essentials to lay my hair down. I don't like my edges to be super long, so I'm gonna cut these a little bit more. And I try to break it up. I like for it to kind of look like more scalp is showing in the front. So you see me cutting this small piece right here, a little bit shorter than the rest, just to give it like a little bit more realness, to make it a little bit more natural. I love when my units are plucked really well, because this part right here takes me maybe 5 minutes or so to do. So once I've got this exactly how I want it, I'm just going to use my black strip, lay it down and blow dry it, and then let's get into styling this unit. So of course I'm going to go in and work in sections, you guys. First I'm going to do, of course, the bottom, then I'll do the top. I'm going to start with just brushing it out, just using a detangling brush, combing out the curls, getting it basically just getting it as full as possible. I was a little concerned with how this would come out, y'all, to be completely honest, because the hair was not as full as I expected it to be or what I'm used to. But honestly, y'all, it ended up working out perfectly. It's almost like this was the perfect density for this look and this length, because sometimes when the hair is shorter, like a shorter length like this, it can be just too full and look too wiggy, and I think that's probably just what I'm used to. But this density ended up just, I don't know, y'all, it all came together and I love the outcome of it. It didn't feel like too much hair was on my head, especially the summertime. You guys know it's too hot for all that. This just felt really good, really light and really airy, and I think it still looked really full, even though it didn't feel like, you know what I mean, even though it didn't feel like it. I don't know how to explain it, but it worked out, you guys. I love the outcome of it. As far as styling goes, I'm just spraying a little bit of water. I didn't want this hair dripping wet because I didn't want it to take forever to dry. And then I'm using my Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. I'm combing that through to get the curls to start forming and plumping. And then I'm just going to start twisting just random pieces along, like with my finger, like you see me doing right here, just coiling the hair a bit to get a little bit more definition and some more clumping going. And I'm going to repeat this throughout my entire head. All right, you guys, so I let this air dry as long as possible. I kind of did not have the time for it to air dry completely, but maybe like 60-40, some along those lines. But I went on ahead and diffused it, and then just took my blow dryer, fluffed it up a bit. And then I'm just going to take my hot comb with a little bit of my wax stick and hit the part, not to overdo it because we don't like a super flat part with curly hair. It doesn't make sense, but we don't want it to be super puffy up there. And next, I'm just going to just frame my face, just snipping a couple pieces, just kind of giving it some, I guess, some body, some layers as well. This hair actually already came pretty layered. It doesn't need really much cutting. Just wanted to cut a few short pieces in the front, and then I'm going to hit my forehead with some bronzer. Do not forget this part. It just makes everything flow much easily, seamlessly, whatever you want to call it. And then of course, you guys know I always lift up my little baby hairs because I just think it looks more natural this way instead of them being stuck to my forehead. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I loved making this tutorial for you guys. This unit is super cute, super easy, perfect for back to school. My mom's on the go, and it's easy on your pockets as well. It's not going to break the bank. Make sure you guys check out all the information below. Thank you guys for watching. I'll talk to you in my next one.
If somebody's up and tell me who.